Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. This is Hijabadore here and I am here with my BOXYCHARM for the month of May. I'm going to be unboxing it just like the old times. I know I kind of fell off the bandwagon, but last month I did try to use as many products as I could from my BOXYCHARMs and from like more previous months, and also from the last month I tried using as many products as I could in that video. So if you are interested, I'll link it down below in the description box. I actually just came back from my daughter's doctor's appointment and then I saw my box just sitting there and I'm like, I think I want to unbox it since I look a little bit presentable. I mean, I'm still breaking out because of the different just like effed me up. So all these breakouts are because of that. I'm working on it. I feel like this acne and these breakouts are just here to stay because they're not going away no matter what I do. I feel like I've tried everything possible. I'm only wearing a CC cream and some concealer, so that's why these breakouts might be a little bit more prominent, but it's okay. I'm cool with it. Just know that I know, so you don't have to let me know in the comments like, oh my god, you're breaking out. Like, do I not know? Yes, I know, so it's okay. All right, let's get into the box and enough of all that. Okay, all right, so when I open the box, this is how it looks like. It's supposed to be like this. So this is the card in here. Okay, this says Boxy Bash. It's actually their birthday month, so that's why they gave us one extra product. Yes, my sister told me that. I honestly didn't even know, and I'm the one affiliated with them. All right, so the first thing that I was really dying to get my hands on, this is an eyeliner, like in an ink pot. I am in love with the packaging already. Like Pretty Vulgar has like really amazing packaging and like so cute. So when I open it, it does not have no film or anything on top here, but it is clean in there, so nobody opened it or dug in there. This is how it looks like. It is very cute, and I do think you get a lot of product in here. It says The Ink Blacklist Gel Eyeliner, and this is a highly pigmented gel eyeliner with vitamin C in it, which was pretty cool. This retails for $24. So before I swatch it, I do see these brushes in here, and I'll use this brush to kind of swatch the eyeliner. That's why I want to show you this first. These are from the company called Aesthetica. This is a 3-piece eye trio, and this retails for $45. Every time I've gotten brushes from BOXYCHARM, I'm like just hooked to them. I even got like this in one of my BOXYCHARMs, and I just use this each and every time I apply my makeup. So I freaking love this. This is a Luxie tapered highlighter brush that I got a very long time ago. I honestly don't even remember which BOXYCHARM it was. Okay, now if you want to know how I feel about these particular brushes, honestly I feel like this eyeliner brush could be a nice eyeliner brush. This kind of brush, I usually use these kind of brushes for my brows. I don't really use these kind of brushes for my eyeliners. Other than that, I do like a spoolie brush, but I do prefer the brushes that are like this, you know, one side is angled and then the other side is a spoolie. I would honestly just tape these up like this, or maybe I might just like hot glue it or something, because I love a dual-ended brush. So like I can just use this for my brows, and then with the spoolie I can just shape up my brows or something. And I honestly wouldn't really want to pay $45 for these, so if I get these in my BOXYCHARM, I'm up for it. I would take it. So this is the pot, and we go in there. It's like dipping my pen in the little ink pot, or like, you know, those little bird feathers that people used to write with in the olden days. Okay, so this is, oh my god, I was not expecting this. This is so creamy, and I feel like this brush is very smooth, and it's not one of those really stiff eyeliner brushes. It is actually really nice. I feel like I would be using this a lot. And then the next thing is this brush, another brush, yay! It's also from Aesthetica, and this one retails for $27, and this brush is called P12 Face Brush. Okay, this is how it looks like. Oh my god, it is so soft. Oh my god, I feel like I cannot live without this brush, and I feel like this is like a bigger version of this one, and I am actually really liking it already. It's really soft, it's really nice, and it's not stiff or anything. I can actually use this to apply my blush as well. Aesthetica brushes are really high quality and really long lasting, so if you're looking into investing money in your brushes, you can do that at Aesthetica's website. But honestly, just go for the BOXYCHARM for $21, and you'll get all these brushes in there for $21 and a few more products. So I mean, it's a win-win situation. This brush itself pays for the whole box, it being $27, and you're just gonna pay $21 with free shipping if you're in the US. But if you're in Canada, you have to pay like $4 or $5 for your shipping. Even then, I feel like this brush alone itself pays for the whole box. Honestly, even this eyeliner does. This retails for $24. Like, all these things are pretty expensive this month. I'm really impressed. Yes, BOXYCHARM, yes, this is the way to celebrate your birthday. Like, it's their birthday and they're giving us the presents. Like, I know y'all wanted to see this first, but I totally just saw this eyeliner and I just totally forgot about this. But I also knew that we were about to get this because of my sister. This is the Cover FX Blurring Primer. Cover FX powder is amazing. I love their powder a lot. And then they did send us their illuminating spray in one of the old BOXYCHARMs, but I didn't get to try that because I gave away the whole box to one of my followers on Instagram. So I'm really excited to try this primer out. I'm honestly kind of running out of my Benefit Professional, so this would work, I guess. Let's try it. Okay, so this is where I applied it. Okay, it's super duper soft, super duper soft. And I do see that it instantly blurred out the whole area over here, and it is really nice. I don't know if you can see on camera, but if you want to take my word for it, trust me, like in this little circle area I applied the primer and it's totally blurred out, and all the areas around it, like you can still see my little lines and wrinkles or whatever you call these on your hand. So yeah, very nice primer. And Cover FX, I mean, everybody knows this brand, and this brand is a really cool, really clean kind of a brand. This retails for $38. I have said that in my other videos as well. When I touch a primer, I know what it's about to do, how it's gonna work under my makeup. So yes, I can see that. And sometimes a primer looks really nice and then you kind of rub on it and then it just kind of starts coming off, so it does not really sink into your skin, because some of the primers you're just supposed to tap onto your skin, and if you rub it, it starts coming off. But this one does not. Like, I did, like, this whole time I'm trying to rub it off, but it's not coming off, so it's there to stay, and it is feeling way more softer than my Benefit Professional. So I'm really freaking excited to apply this on my face, and I do think that this is a silicone primer. Okay, and then the last thing, no, this is not the last thing. We're supposed to get 6 things. What? I thought that this was the last thing, but when I read the card, it said we were about to get 6 things. So I thought that BOXYCHARM just played with me, but they didn't, because there is something in here as well. So I'll show it to you once I'm done showing you the lipstick. This is a Beauty Creations matte lip gloss. This is a collaboration with BOXYCHARM. Every time there is BOXYCHARM logo on a packaging, it's basically a collabed product. So here is how this lip gloss looks like. It's a matte lip gloss. Okay, and I'm just gonna swatch it right here. I'm only wearing a lip balm, so why not just apply it on my lips, right? Okay, so this is the lip color. I don't know how I feel about it. I honestly don't really wear these kind of lip colors by themselves. I always go with like a lip liner or something, but I don't know how it feels on my lips. Like, I can literally feel my lips just sticking together. And this retails for $10. Yeah, so this is just whatever. Okay, and then the next product is this. This is called Pure Sculptor Palette. Okay, I just got some makeup on here right there. Okay, okay. So this comes with a mirror and their powder contour, and there's also 2 highlighters in there. And I mean, I'm all over powders. Like, I hate cream contours, so I'm really excited for this. And this is a sculptor palette, so these both are contour powders, not your bronzer, because I don't think I'll be able to bronze with these because I think they're just like too dark. But I just want to swatch this. Oh my god, so soft. Like, one touch, just like, oh wow, it's amazing. And then, are you ready for this? Are you ready? This freaking smells like chocolate. I'm not even kidding. I'm not kidding. This smells like chocolate. Oh my god, it freaking smells like chocolate. I'm so excited. Okay, so this is the swatches. Okay, so these are the swatches, and don't mind my hand. I'm actually gonna use my contour brush to just kind of contour because I need some. Okay, so I'm gonna take the lighter shade because the darker shade might be too dark for me. Do you see that? It's definitely buildable, and then you can just kind of blend it. So I feel like that this would look a lot better with a better coverage of foundation, because right now, as you can see, like my skin peeking through it and all the blemishes peeking through it. And then the highlighters in here, I haven't even touched them. Even the highlighters smell like brownie cake batter. Like, I'm loving the smell of this palette, guys. I have to tell you that. And even the highlighters are really, really soft, really, really buttery. This palette retails for $30, just to let you know. And these are the swatches of the highlighters right here. And they're actually really nice. I don't know if you can see the bling in this lighting. I actually want to apply the highlight as well, just to give you a little idea. I'm actually not going anywhere with this makeup look. I'm actually just going to take it off right after I'm done filming this video. But do you see the highlight? Like, this is going to pop, lock, drop when I have a full face of makeup on. But as for right now, like, this highlight is blinding like freaking crazy. So yes, I am living for it. Now this lipstick, do you see that? Do you freaking see that? This lipstick is not staying with me. This box comes around like $175 or even more. My math is not that good, and I'm not about to pull out a calculator just for that. I mean, I'm already happy with this box. I don't really have to justify the price or anything, but this lipstick is, I'm not happy with it, okay? And now it's time for me to show you my favorite product from this box. I actually have 2. These 2 are my favorite. Maybe this would be my most favorite because I could already tell that my makeup is about to pop. Okay, and then this is my second favorite product because I do be using my liquid eyeliners a lot more than my gel eyeliners. Only that is the reason. Other than that, I am in love with these 2 things. What the heck? Second favorite, or my third favorite if you want to call it, is this palette and also this brush. Like, oh my god, I'm all over these products. So yes. Okay, so that's it for this little unboxing video. I hope that you guys like it. Again, you only pay $21 for this box, and you get 5 full-size products. This is their birthday month, so you're getting an extra product. Hit the like button, follow me on Instagram, like my page on Facebook, subscribe over here, hit the notification bell twice. And also do follow me on Instagram because I do be unboxing my BOXYCHARMS on my Instagram a lot as well, and I'll be updating over there what's up with the new products that I'm using and all. So yeah, it's all good if you follow me on Instagram. So do follow me on Instagram, and also follow me on Twitter if you like. Other than that, that's it for this video. Take care. Bye.